Hi everybody, it is Monday, February 21st, 2022. Looking at the Astro Excel trend picture for the week. We're trending down here on the 21st. We've got a downward bias into the close today around session change at 1800. From there we start to drift up into the 22nd. It peaks out around noon tomorrow on Tuesday between noon and 1 o'clock. Then the general pressure goes downward to 1800, and then we kind of go flat and sideways here as we're flatlining around the zero line with a slight upward, very slight upward bias until about 6:30 on the 23rd. Little bump up, flatlining on the zero line till about 1400. Then we get a little downward pressure as we change sessions. Then at 1800 we start to push up, got a little upward push into the 24th, and then we start to push down. We're really just hovering around the zero line all week, so there's not a lot of strong indication. We push down, downward bias from there to late on the 24th. We bottom out around the 1800 session close. You can see there the blue line bottoms there also, but then they go sideways late on the 24th into the morning of the 25th. We've got a little upward bias, and then it flips back down midday to the close. So not a lot of strong movement this week. We're pretty much neutral around the zero line for the most part. Some little biases here and there, but no definitive astral pressure in either direction this week. Looking over at the Vedic overnight, you can see in the early morning, anyone in the European time zone had a nice setup right at the start of our white window there. We got a nice overnight high, which triggered off this really good short trade, and contract made new lows just now. We've got another window coming in later this morning at about a little bit after noon, about 12:10 till about 12:50 should be the next significant point for today. So there you have it. Overnight, early morning window working well, giving you that high. We've got one more window coming between noon and 1 o'clock. So that's it for today. We'll be back again Tuesday with another video. We'll talk to you then.